So today we are going to learn the difference between tengo and tiene, which is I have, you have. Yeah? And we are also going to learn the difference between plural and singular nouns, which is the same as in English. So one cat, two cats. So you need to add that S at the end. All right, let's start. In today's class, the first thing you're going to do is to watch, so we're in week 5, you're going to watch the video of Basho and friends and his family. So in class, you are going to be doing some writing about his family and then compare it with your family. So I'm going to show you how to use those verbs. So I wrote about my family. Yo tengo una mamá. Yo tengo un papá. Yo tengo un hermano. ¿Sí? A brother. Yo no tengo una hermana. I do not have a sister. Now let's look at Basho's and friends' family. Can you see that tengo changed to tiene, which is he has? Yeah, and he has in Spanish, both things are tiene. Yeah, so we don't need he anymore. Tiene includes he and has. So, Basho tiene una mamá. Basho tiene un papá. Basho tiene un hermano. Basho tiene dos hermanas. So you put that S at the end. And that is it for today. Nice and short.